Hey guys, it's me, Gorlash again. I've just opened my first item from JW Steelcrafts, and I wanted you to have a look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful Balisong Damascus steel blade. Beautiful copper handles, excellent quality, doesn't wiggle, very, very well put together, very solid knife. And look at this, the handle is very nice grip. This is just a beautiful, beautiful knife. Thank you very much, JW Steelcrafts, Wakar. This is a magnificent knife. Very much like this. Have to be careful because it is sharp. Love this knife. Look for a piece of paper here. Gorlash has a piece of paper here. Let's see. Well, it's pretty sharp anyway. This is good paper, hey, whatever. Still a beautiful knife. No, it is very sharp. I've already cut myself. You have to be very careful with the Balisong. You'll grab this when you swing back. You'll get the back part of the blade, and this works. When you spin it around, it still comes back to the same place. You always got to grab it by this handle, which makes sense, of course, because the curves when it comes together. And this knife feels very nice, very comfortable. I like this knife. But I've already cut myself. It is sharp. I've always liked these since I was a young Gorlash. The butterfly knife and the Balisong. It's very nice. I may have to keep this one. Beautiful. JW Steelcrafts.